a bit unlucky. Happy birthday, Jim. Thank you very much.
He's only showing it here, not having any. Look what he could have won, and then he's going to speed off.
It's a bit mucky.
Yes, please. He's got the coffee as well, eh? Form an orderly queue, if you wouldn't mind. I just happen to have left my camera rolling as well, so I've got a video.
Got one in it, Jim. Rub it in.
Excellent. Get a couple of slices. I'll pass you one.
That's alright, I'll pull alongside as well. We're going to go in a minute.
Yeah, I just come to say bye as well, really.
Yeah.
You
like?
Because I've got to take these
So move forward a bit.
Thank you, Jim.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure meeting you. Really am.
All the best.
Great. Thank you, Ian. Pleasure
Top
to
man.
meet you.
Thanks very much, Phil. We'll see you again.
Yeah.
Oh, camera booth.
That would have been scary, wouldn't it?
Was barging my way through.
You're a nightmare. I've got things hanging off everywhere.
You're still fishing.
Very nice to meet you. I'll leave that for you, Jerry. Take me back with you. The taxi's coming at 2 o'clock and the train goes at 2:44. Don't talking about it, that's for Verna, the airport. Everyone's been there.
It's 20 minutes from here to the train.
Yeah, your taxi driver knows all that. I've told him this message.
Sweet.
2:44, you'll be at Verna at 4 o'clock. 300 metre walk. Next in. Ready for off-road. Just go clockwork. If you don't, just call me on.
Yeah. We didn't know what it was this morning.
Right. Alright.
And I've got a card for you, but it's still in the shop.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for your hospitality.